Ever wondered how to craft and optimize prompts for AI models? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to the fascinating world of prompt engineering, a realm where creativity meets technology and the magic of artificial intelligence unfolds. So, what is prompt engineering? It's the art and science of crafting effective prompts that guide AI models to produce desired outcomes. Imagine you're a director, and the AI model is your actor. The prompt is your script that instructs the actor on how to perform. It's a critical aspect of working with AI, as the quality of the prompts directly influences the performance of the AI model. Now, why is prompt engineering significant? Well, as AI technology continues to evolve and be integrated into our daily lives, the ability to effectively communicate with these systems becomes increasingly important. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a developer, or an AI hobbyist, understanding how to create and optimize prompts can help you get the most out of your AI models. The purpose of this video is to demystify the process of prompt engineering and make it accessible to everyone, especially beginners. We'll guide you through the steps of creating prompts, share tips on how to optimize them, and show you how to troubleshoot common issues. Along the way, we'll also explain the underlying principles that make certain prompts more effective than others. This hands-on guide is designed to be practical and easy to follow, so don't worry if you're new to this field. We'll start from the basics and work our way up, ensuring you understand each concept before we move on to the next. And remember, learning is a journey, not a race. So take your time, be curious, and don't be afraid to experiment. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to craft and optimize your own prompts for AI models. So buckle up and let's dive into the exciting world of prompt engineering. Before diving into the crafting process, it's important to understand what a prompt is and how it works in relation to an AI model. So, let's start. Imagine you're having a conversation with a friend and you say, "Tell me about your day." That's a prompt. In essence, it's a question or statement that incites a response. In the realm of artificial intelligence, a prompt works very similarly. It's a cue or request that we give to the AI model, asking it to generate a specific kind of output. You might be wondering, why are prompts so important? Well, AI models are like highly advanced tools, but without instructions or guidance, they won't do much good. That's where prompts come in. They provide the necessary direction, guiding the AI to generate useful and relevant responses. Let's think about it in another way. Consider an AI model as a highly sophisticated foreign language dictionary. It knows all the words and their meanings, but if you don't ask it to translate a specific word or phrase, it won't be of much help, right? Similarly, an AI model needs prompts to understand what output we're looking for. Now, prompts are not just about asking questions. They can also be statements or commands. For instance, when you tell your virtual assistant to set an alarm, you're giving it a prompt. In this case, the response is not a piece of information, but an action. The beauty of prompts is that they can be as simple or complex as you need them to be, depending on what you're trying to achieve. You could ask an AI to generate a short piece of text, like a weather report, or something more intricate, like a full-blown short story. The key is to frame your prompts in a way that clearly communicates your desired outcome to the AI. And that's the crux of it. Prompts are the bridge between us and the AI, helping us communicate our needs and requests effectively. Now that we have a basic understanding of prompts, we can start crafting our own. Crafting a prompt may seem daunting at first, but with a few steps, you'll be on your way to creating effective prompts for AI. Let's break down these steps for you. First off, identify your goal. What do you want the AI to do? Write a poem, answer a question, generate a recipe? This will guide your entire process. Remember, clarity is key here. A vague goal will result in a vague prompt and likely a vague response. Once you've identified your goal, you can start to formulate your prompt. This is where you tell the AI what you want it to do. Be specific. If you want a poem about a sunset, don't just ask for a poem. Ask for a poem about a sunset. This gives the AI a clear direction, which is crucial in getting the response you want. Next, consider the style or tone you want the AI to adopt. Do you want the poem to be romantic, melancholic, humorous? Incorporating this into your prompt can help steer the AI towards the desired outcome. For example, you could ask for a humorous poem about a sunset. A helpful tip here is to think about the AI as a very literal-minded assistant. It will take your instructions at face value, so the more clear and specific you are, the better the results. After you've crafted your prompt, it's time for a test run. Run your prompt through the AI and see what you get. Don't be discouraged if the first response isn't exactly what you were hoping for. This is a process of trial and error. Analyze the results, tweak your prompt, and try again. It's okay to iterate and refine your prompts. In fact, it's a vital part of the process. Each iteration brings you closer to the perfect prompt and the desired AI response. And there you have it, a crafted prompt. But how can you make sure it's effective? Crafting a prompt is just the first step. Next, we need to optimize it to ensure it works effectively with our AI model. So, how do we go about this? First off, we must understand that optimization is a process of trial and error. It's about tweaking and refining your prompt until you achieve the desired response. Start by testing your prompt. Run it through your AI model and analyze the results. Is the response what you expected? If not, it's time to refine. Refining your prompt can involve a variety of strategies. You might need to clarify or expand upon your initial question. Maybe your prompt is too vague or too specific. Remember, the goal is to guide the AI to the answer you want. Another strategy is to play with the format. If a question doesn't work, try rephrasing it as a statement or instruction. The AI understands language differently than we do, and sometimes a slight tweak can yield a big improvement. Consider the context too. AI models often rely on the information provided within the prompt. If a model isn't producing the desired results, adding more context or details might help. Now let's talk about common pitfalls. One of the most common is overcomplicating your prompt. Keep it simple. Clear, concise language is often the most effective. Another pitfall is expecting the AI to understand nuances or subtleties in the same way a human would. Remember, AI models are not human. They don't understand context or emotion in the same way we do. Lastly, be patient. Optimization can be a slow process, but it's worth it. The more you practice, the better you'll get at crafting and optimizing your prompts. Remember, the goal of optimization is to create a prompt that guides the AI to produce the desired response. It's not about creating the perfect question or statement. It's about crafting a guide that the AI can follow. Optimization is the key to creating effective prompts. With patience and practice, you'll be optimizing like a pro. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to crafting and optimizing prompts for AI models. We've come a long way together, delving into the fascinating realm of prompt engineering. Starting from the basics, we've explored the core concept of AI prompts, understanding their significance in directing an AI model's behavior. We've seen how a well-crafted prompt can be the key to unlocking the full potential of an AI model. We then took a deep dive into the art of crafting prompts. We learned that it's not just about asking a question or giving a command. It's about defining a clear, concise, and contextually relevant task for the AI to accomplish. We discovered the importance of being specific and using language that the AI model can understand. We also discussed the various types of prompts, from open-ended questions to specific tasks, and how each serves a different purpose. After crafting, we moved to optimization. We learned that the true art of prompt engineering lies in the iterative process of testing, refining, and retesting. We've seen how tweaking a prompt, altering the phrasing, or even changing a single word can significantly impact the AI's response. We also emphasized the importance of using metrics to evaluate the effectiveness of our prompts, helping us make data-driven decisions in our optimization process. But most importantly, we've emphasized the need for practice and experimentation. Prompt engineering, like any other skill, takes time and patience to master. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, and what works for one situation might not work for another. So don't be disheartened if you don't get it right the first time. It's all part of the learning process. So keep trying new things. Keep testing and refining your prompts. Keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And above all, keep having fun with it. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Remember, prompt engineering is a skill that takes time to master. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun with it. Thank you for watching and happy prompt crafting.